All right, you guys. All right, you guys. All right, you guys. So I know this is kind of like a weird place to be to do like an unboxing. I'm on the steps, right? But I have the hall bathroom right here. I just cut off all the electric. This is a reorder. I did an unboxing and one of the screws for the light fixture was broke. So we did a reorder. This is the wrong way. Oh, great. Oh, it's a good thing we got the vacuum, right? And I will vacuum all of this up. I like this style. And all right, everything looks well. So the first time you see this part right here where the threads thread on, this thing was loose. Like the whole thing was loose. So the light bulb would just be dangling. You got those two right there. So we got everything on here. They do give us instructions of what to do. All right, so they give us caps. And as you know, I use the new style caps. So y'all will see that featured on here. I will try to put a link in the description. On step 1, it says we have to install these two right here. And okay, I see. So as you know, this is supposed to be the ground part. So you want to install this way. So you put your wire in here, nice and gentle, right? You put your wire here, and what you want to do is take this little nut off right here on the back of here. And we got a washer. So we have a washer right there. Now I'm not sure if it says assemble the base and lamp holder together, blah, blah, blah. Separate the moving plate from the fixture by unscrewing the screw nuts. Just did that. Now step 3, tighten the mounting plate to the junction box by screwing the included screws. Okay. So it's not really telling us much. So we are just gonna go ahead and just knock this thing out. I'm going to put this on the back part so it can't be seen. I don't want that to be seen either. So we are going to take that off as well. So we're going to take this silver part off too. And we are going to go ahead and put that on like that. So y'all see how that's going to be. And then on the back part, that's where we're going to, oh, well, I guess I gotta, I gotta get rid of all this because that's where the thread is. Take that ball off. I take both sides off. All right, those two are off. Now, we are going to go ahead and install this part, teeth part on first, okay? Then I'm going to put my washer on, got the washer on. And now we're going to put our nut, and it's looking good. And there we go, you guys. It looks very nice. Comes out. Now we're going to do the same thing with this side. We're going to take all of these off. Right. Yeah. This is easy, you guys. Easy DIY work. Easy DIY work. If you want to upgrade anything, you guys, this is just the littlest things. Doing this will make your bathroom look 10 times better, you guys. And I do this all the time. So y'all know I'm always updating something. And to be honest with y'all, all y'all need to do is hand tighten this. I don't believe that this is too drastic to have to use tools to, you know. So everything feels tight, nice. What else we need to do? Oh, ho, ho. I wasn't supposed to thread this all the way yet. Oops. So what I can do is I can loosen it. Assemble the base and lamp holder together. It just says do it together. It don't say to do it first. Anyways, we are going to put the left side on first. And I don't think this matter if it's left, right, up and down. It's the same thing as long as you put the left with the left and slide in. You put the right with the right, or your left, my right, your left. And then you put it in. All right, that goes in, that goes in. All right, now what you have to do is thread this on here. Let's see if I can do it because I did tighten. All right, so this is why I said don't tighten this, because you see, in order to thread it on here, this part has to be loose and it is hard to turn now. Same thing with this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a tool. All right, I can take that off by hand. Can I take this off? All right, you guys, so before I fast forward and do the music thing on this video, y'all know the usual, fast forward and put some music on it. Turn off all of your electricity. If you're new to this, turn off your electricity at the circuit breaker. The circuit breaker, okay? You go to your circuit breaker, you turn off your electricity to the source that you're working on, all right? That's your last warning. Safety first. Use your proper PPE. And that will be it for that. And let's go ahead, take this old antique off and install the new one. I told y'all I will be using this all the time. I love it. Tools that you'll need is a voltage tester, just to make sure you could test the current, if there's any current coming through, even if you think you turned it off. Nothing. All right, you guys, it's up. I will turn on the electric and then that will be it.